Hello, my name is Thomasena Brown, Senior Artistic Educator, Brand Expert, and your digital team member. I'm here to show you this beautiful technique on coily hair that I like to call pearls in the sun. Please come along. Organically divide the hair into 5 sections, leaving a half of halo from ear to ear, 2 quadrants at the top, 2 in the nape. Sectioning the hair beforehand creates a great roadmap for a finished result. Beginning in one of the front quadrants, take a horizontal zigzag parting and apply the lightning formula in a freehand balayage technique. Drop the finished section into a foil as a barrier method to keep the lightener from transferring onto the natural hair. Leave out about a ½ inch. Move to the nape area in one of the back quadrants and repeat the same balayage pattern throughout the back of the head. Starting your application in the front creates more lightness around the face and less in the back for a natural gradient dimension. Following the same pattern, melt the shadow root formula into the toning formula throughout the entire head. Drag the shadow root down less in the front and further in the back. This will create added natural dimension. Thank you so much for watching today. If you would like more information and education, please visit PRAVANA.com, and you can also follow me, your girl, at Sensations on Instagram.